I just wanted to jump in really quick and explain to you what you're about to see in this vlog. So this is gonna be days like 1, 2 days, like 2.5, 3 of our cruise. We sailed on the Disney Magic for 5 nights last year, April 30th through May the 5th. And it was absolutely wonderful, but we could not share that footage with you because the first 3 days was lost due to water damage. And so I have tried everything to recover the footage for you guys. Unfortunately, here's Summer. So unfortunately, I was only able to recover like the last, where is she? There she is. So unfortunately, I was only able to recover like fully the last 3 days, I believe, of footage. So this vlog, you're gonna see the sail away party. We didn't catch like us boarding or anything like that because like I said, the damage to our camera, first 3 days of footage is just gone. So I do have some footage of the first couple of days. So that's what you're gonna see in this vlog. And then we're gonna pick up with the next 2 vlogs. And you'll see everything from breakfast all the way until, you know, we go to bed at night. But it's just this vlog in particular is going to be kind of slow starting off, but just bear with us, hang in there with us. But anyway, please like our videos, subscribe to our channel. We do have 2 more. Hey, Summer. We do have 2 more. Where is she? I can't find her. So we do have 2 more Disney cruise vlogs coming after this, like I said. So this video is kind of be like cut up, and I'm basically just gonna give you what I can. There she is. Look at her. Excuse the mess. Like, we are in the process of painting our house. But anyway, so like I said, this vlog is gonna start off a little slow, but it will pick up, and then we'll have footage covering the entire day with the next 2 vlogs following up after this. So enjoy our cruise vlogs. Hang in there. Like I said, this vlog is going to be kind of like, but then the other 2 vlogs will pick up and they will get much better. So thank you for hanging in there with us, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Enjoy the vlog. Look at Summer. Give me this ice cream. And it's official. We are moving, people. We are moving. We are on our cruise. That looks like, oh, that's Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. There we go, y'all. We're sailing away. Okay, so they made this little one her allergy-free, egg and nut-free plate. So she has macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Look how stringy it is. And then they brought her vegetables and mashed potatoes. So all allergy free for her. Okay, so we just got back from Rapunzels. Me and Summer left a little early because I was not feeling well, kind of nauseous and just kind of sick today. So, look. I'm sorry we left you. But look at that. Sweet dreams. A snail. Hi. Thank you. Hey. It's time for you to go to bed. All right, so we are snorkeling here.
Yeah, put them on over here for me. I'll get them from out there with the fins on. Elbow drop.
Look how beautiful. Look at the water. How beautiful. snorkeling out here. Sheldon and the littles are they done for. So I got my life and I snorkeled, but water kept coming over my mask, so I had to cut it short a little bit. And my camera, I think I destroyed it with the Stingray, so we can't get any more underwater footage for you guys on this cruise, but I promise the next cruise we'll make sure we get some good footage underwater. Alright, we're about to head back to port so I can get my room, and we're going to get back on the boat. Okay, so we are back on the ship. Tonight is pirate night. We are having dinner at Lumieres. Hey, pirate night. Noah, show Hook. My Hook. There's Summer. She's been crying the entire dinner. But it's okay. She's happy now. Dad went and got her sippy cup. And it's gonna be a good night. Okay, this is my appetizer. It's the shrimp with some kind of lemon butter, I think. Sheldon got the same thing, and then of course Summer and Noah. And Summer got her allergy-free, egg-free macaroni and cheese, and Noah, he just got regular kid macaroni and cheese. Noah, let me see your cup. Let me see. Who's on your cup? Who is that on your cup?
Mickey.
That is Mickey. Mickey Pirate? Yeah. Okay, so we had to send Summer back to the room because she would not stop crying. So, don't put that in there, please. So me and Noah are on a date. Just he and I. And this is what I got. The salmon and the beef tenderloin and lobster. So we are going to enjoy dinner, and we will see you later for Pirate Night fireworks. I love it. He's not gonna go. Let's go. Kidnap Noah. Pirate Night. Yeah. Where's my baby? Me and my little homeboy here, we decided to go big or go home. 4 desserts. The banana bread pudding, chocolate terrine, lemon cake, caramel apple cheesecake. Is it good? Yes? Very good. Try this caramel apple cheesecake. Oh. Very good. Try this one. I'm sorry. 5 desserts. 5 desserts. It's a Mickey bar. Good for him. Look, watch.
I'm gonna put in my hand. Look.
Look, Noah.
Extra glasses, please.
Sure.
1, 2, 1, 3. What's the magic word? Abracadabra. Blow it, blow it.
Blow, Noah.
The chocolate.
Blow it. What is he doing? No.
Okay, blow it.
Like this. There's the statue. Look, 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 look. Look who's out for Pirate Night. Come on. Little photo ops over there. Come on, bud. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's get on the elevator. Wait, sit here. Look at our little pirate night. Barbosa. I think that's Barbosa. Woody done had a bath, had to leave dinner because she was cutting up. Cutting up on pirate night. Arg. Made me.
Oh, you're hot.
How pretty. What'd you say this drink was called? What is this called? Okay. Quinn made my drink. Come on, Mickey. Yes. Mickey said it's pirate night. Love it. We got fruit. All right, let's see what we got. Chicken fajitas. Okay, roll-ups, I guess. Rice and beans.
Thank you.
What's that? Yes. Can I have a piece of that? Do we go over the top? Under here? Thank you. This all comes from the Pirate Night buffet. And this is how we're ending our night. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.